Jess, where are you going?
Go fishing.
Go fishing. What's up, guys? Your boy Robert here. We're just relaxing. We just finished cleaning an office, and you know what? The sun is going down right over there. You can't see it because of this bush, but you know what? I got the drone here, so we're gonna lift off, guys. We're gonna lift off right here. Jess is fishing a little bit, so we'll go from there. All right, guys. Enjoy the flight. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Over here at Lake Gate State Beach Park once again. Check it out. It is a little windy, so I do apologize once again about the noise. We got the kiddos over here. Whoa! You did it! Wow! Watch Ethan boy do an ollie. Why are you doing an ollie? Oh wow! Good job! Yay! And yesterday the kiddos did backflips, right? Off yeah, go over here. Hey, there's a car. Hey, come here.
The car coming.
There's a car coming. Go to this side. Wait.
Wait, no, I did it wrong.
All right. But they did backflips off of the what's that? Longboard? The stand-up paddleboard? Yeah. So they're ready. They're ready to jump off a cliff or a pier of some sort, guys. Whoa! All right. Yeah, here.
My mom doesn't want us doing that. But the part that she was talking about was inside, not outside.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
There they go. Wow. Yeah.
I should have shoved it again.
Go, I did. Watch out for cars. So what are you guys gonna do?
Make a hut.
Make a teepee? A teepee hut? Yeah, you guys can do it. All right. There you go. Hi, Liza. What's going on here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I don't know. There's rocks everywhere.
Huh?
Oh, there's rocks everywhere. You can come down. Oh, I want to see what teacher has.
Go.
But there's lots of rocks. I wonder I just is it?
There you go.
No. Oh, there's a shell back here. Yeah, because Mom's collecting shells. Oh. Am I growing or something?
I don't know.